Hello friends, you are on the real estate channel in Spain, Atlas Group, and I'm Nikita Zubov. Today is a great day, November 20th, with 20 degrees of warmth outside, and we will take a look at a villa for 5.5 million euros in a very good location. Geographically, this area belongs to Puerto Banus. It's exactly 1.5 kilometers to the port along the excellent promenade. If you walk in the direction of the promenade, you can reach the end of Marbella. It's 10 kilometers in one direction. And if you go in the other direction, you can walk to the end of the San Pedro promenade. It's just over 2 kilometers. A great option for those who enjoy walking or biking a lot. Our villa is located 250 meters from the promenade and is situated between two exclusive residential complexes, Malibu and Bahia de Banus. Here you can find a private hospital, a store with Russian-Ukrainian products, the 5-star hotel Guadalpin Banus, and one of the most expensive urbanizations in Europe, Laguna de Banus. A very nice area with a great location. There are no height differences here, so it's very convenient for children to walk and ride bicycles. Let's see the villa. It has an area of 416 SQM and the plot is 1000 SQM. 3 floors, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. There is a pool, sauna, and a small sports area. Each room is equipped with individual air conditioning systems and motion sensors for detecting movement. Let's go take a look. Let's start our review from the entrance to the property. Here we have 2 parking spaces, but if desired, a couple more cars can be parked in the front. And there is an abundance of space at the back as well. Here we also have parking spaces that are covered. By the way, the entire roof is made of solar panels. There's also a cozy waiting area here. Let's enter the house. The light bulbs aren't really flickering. It's a camera distortion. We enter the hallway. On the left, there is a staircase to the second and basement floors. Security system. Let's enter the living room. The kitchen is on the left. We'll go there later. The living room consists of 2 areas. High ceilings, quality marble, bio fireplace. Let's go into the study. There is an entrance to the dining room, a covered terrace. Now we'll go there and take a look. Here you have accordion panoramic doors. You can fold 2 walls and it will transform into a truly cool dining terrace, providing fresh air. Returning to the living room. The second area of the living room. Marble flooring with elegant lighting fixtures. There is a remote control for comfortable turning on and changing colors across the full color spectrum. Outdoor terrace. This roof is also electric. It can be opened and there is a mist cooling system installed here. We offer a pool that is equipped with an automated opening and closing system, a sports area with a TV, a sauna, a shower area, and our own territory for your enjoyment and relaxation. I'll mention again that the light is not flickering, it's a camera distortion. Here up close is the steam cooling system. A professional coffee machine. And now we're heading to the kitchen. The kitchen is fully equipped with all appliances. The entrance is accessed from the parking lot. It is extremely convenient to unload the grocery bags from the store. Let us go and check out the master bedroom right away. On the left side, there is a guest bathroom. And in this location, we have the dressing area and the entrance to the master bedroom itself. Behind this door is a walk-through bathroom. Let's go in from the other side and exit through this door, the primary bedroom. Corner access to the plot and terrace. It includes a walk-in closet area and serves as the entrance to the master bathroom of the house. Here is a shower, 2 sinks, a window, a bathtub, and a toilet with a bidet. We depart from the opposite side and proceed to visit the second floor. It is our corridor that we are going to see. Through this door, we entered the house. We will go to the basement at a later time. High windows are also an advantage, as they provide a substantial amount of natural light. In this place, we have a shared corridor and 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Let's proceed to enter the first bedroom. On the left, the door to the bathroom, we'll look at it later. Enjoy the privacy of your own terrace and take in the stunning view of our meticulously maintained grounds. Our bedroom from a different perspective. Here we have a bathroom with 2 sinks, a bathtub, a toilet with a bidet and a shower, as well as a window. On the left, please note the built-in closets. Let's go to the second bedroom on this floor. There are built-in closets on the left side. The bathroom and the second bedroom are located ahead of you. Additionally, there is a distinct terrace. Located in front is the exclusive residential complex of Bahia de Banus. And in this bathroom, there is also a bathtub, 2 sinks, a window, a toilet with a bidet, and a shower. Now let's proceed to the basement. Here we have a utility room containing a boiler, multiple meters, a washing machine, and a sink for your convenience. Another bedroom, the 4th in the house. If desired, anything can be done here. For instance, another gym, a home theater, a billiard room with a bar. In general, to each their own. The doors fold like an accordion, so moving large furniture in is not a problem at all. And the 5th bedroom in the house, with a private bathroom. There is a shower cabin, toilet, and sink. Review of the house for today. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments or send a private message. You can find all our contacts and social media in the description of this video. Additionally, if you enjoyed this video, take 5 seconds and give us a like. This will aid in the development of our channel, and subscribe if you haven't. Lots of exciting content ahead. Now, I'm off to edit this video for you. Wishing all good luck and goodbye, friends.